Okay, so it's finally here. Just seeing the packaging for the cardboard and the tin box that it comes in. Oh my god. This is Alba's White Numen full set of tarot and oracle cards, and it comes with so many things. I'll link her video below. She shows you everything, every card. It's amazing. Getting to the tin box with the blue and gold and the feeling of magic and fantasy, just stunning. I'm obsessed. First up is a certification of its authenticity. I got number 44. Next is a mat for reading tarot. Each side has one suit from tarot: wands, swords, cups, and pentacles. Next is the red velvet pouch to keep the cards in, with gold embroidery of the WN logo inside of a star. Next are a couple of sticker sheets in blue. I love these. Maybe I'll do a blue-based bujo with them for June. In this little pink tissue paper, there are pretty prints and, finally, cards. I'll start with the Oracle deck. I'm pretty positive these are based on constellations from last year's Inktober that Alba did. There's a little book with meanings and interpretations. The cards are amazing. They're heavy, thick, glossy, and it feels like they'll hold up to a lot of handling. Next is the tarot deck, which I think is the reason I found Alba in the first place. I would see her working on the cards on Instagram and be completely obsessed with her style and use of color. It's always amazing to find other female Hispanic artists doing the thing, you know? Like, I want to support her. The box for the deck is amazing. It's very solid and it's a beautiful blue color. There's another book for interpretation and meaning behind the cards. In her video, Alba shows every card and the detail of using gradation of colors to fade into the next color through each suit. You can kind of see it here, but she does a better job at laying them out so you can see it. These cards also feel heavy, thick, and glossy. They also have gold foiled edges. I'm so excited to use these, and the universe blessed me with them arriving during the new moon in Aries. Fun fact, the Sun, Moon, Venus, and Mercury are all stationed in Aries at the time I recorded this. Another fact is Aries is my sun sign and my ascendant, so all the childlike, impulsive, joyous energy of the new astrological year is in full effect for me. Here's a reading for the Aries new moon. Again, I'll ask my questions based off of a spread, this time from Seeds of Shakti. The first is, what medicine is the wheel birthing for the next 12 months? I got Knight of Pentacles. This means that I will be dealing with the patience to accomplish things and be a reliable, committed source. Next is, as spring returns, what dormant energy is awakening within me? I got Six of Cups. This means that I am in search of feelings of childhood or the past, and that I'll be more likely to seek past friendships or reconnection with the return of spring, which also makes a lot of sense since Aries energy is very much about your inner child and expressing oneself. Next is, as a fire sign, how is Aries kindling my inner spark? Which makes me laugh because that fire is always burning, but you know. I got Five of Cups. This means that there is a feeling of disappointment or unhappiness that something didn't go a certain way. Maybe I placed my energy in tasks or people that didn't end in a way that felt right, and to keep my fire going, I need to avoid living in the past and keep moving forward. Next is, how can I break through fears that have held me back? I got Queen of Swords. This means that I need to come to judgments or decisions based off of fact and not emotion. I can keep to my compassion without letting my other emotions win, to choose understanding that is intellectual. Fear isn't always based on fact, it's often based on other emotions. Next is, what seedlings of inspiration will the new moon bless? I got the Queen of Pentacles reversed. This means that I need to pay attention to any feelings of self-absorption, which feels similar to my last spread where I was reminded not to allow myself to be selfish or abrasive without my own acknowledgement, to see others' success as a positive and not a reflection of myself. Last is a message from the ancestors. I got King of Pentacles reversed. This means that I need to remember that things have value over cost, not to stretch myself too thin, and to keep patience at the forefront so I don't lose my kingdom. That's the reading. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.